Hey kobolds, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Chef Bytes. Now, you all know how much I love B. Dylan Hollis and his videos and all of the crazy and wild recipes that he finds. So of course, I had to go out and get his cookbook, Baking Yesteryear. There are a ton of recipes that I want to try from this cookbook, but the one that I absolutely had to try first also happens to be the simplest: peanut butter bread. So much from so little was the phrase that Dylan used to describe this recipe, and he was right. He was also right when he said that this makes your living space smell incredible. Let's get baking. This recipe is dead simple, and it comes together very quickly, so let's dive right into it. First, we need to preheat our oven. I like using the baker's trick of preheating the oven a little hotter, then setting the temperature back down to what it says in the recipe. Next, in a large mixing bowl, we start off with 2 cups of flour, to which we add in a 1/4 cup of sugar. Follow that up with just half a teaspoon of salt. Then we add in a whopping 4 teaspoons of floof powder, aka baking powder. Because how else is this bread gonna reach low Earth orbit? Now it's time for the star of the show, a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I know it's not a lot, but A, this recipe did originate during the Great Depression, and B, a little goes a very long way in this case. Finally, we're gonna need 1.5 cups of moo juice. That means milk, by the way. Mix everything to combine and then pour it into a well-greased 9x5 loaf pan. Drop the oven temperature down to 350 degrees and then bake this mass of goodness between 55 and 65 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. For the record, mine was done in about an hour. Dylan wasn't kidding. This makes your living space smell divine. Peanut buttery goodness all while it bakes. The bread itself is rich, dense, and chewy while still remaining moist. You know, I actually brought a loaf of this as a dessert over Thanksgiving weekend, and it went over so well with the family that I heard my cousin actually had some more for breakfast the next morning. If that isn't praise, I don't know what is. Again, so much from so little is exactly what Dylan said in his original TikTok video, and he remains 100% right. This recipe is a keeper. Enjoy, happy baking, like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy holidays!